Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video, a silver EP3. This car's got a few little breathing mods. Obviously it's got a Tegiwa leaf eater induction kit on it. It's also got a Japspeed 4:1 mated to a Tegiwa exhaust system. Now it's currently on its stock ECU. We're going to do an ECU exchange and then start tuning. So here we go. Let's do it. Hey guys, because you're watching this video, the chances are you probably are a Honda fan. One of the most important things for Hondas is oil. And thankfully, Dynodaze have picked up an awesome sponsor.
Our first sponsor.
Our first sponsor that's relevant. People have been trying to sponsor us milkshakes and ready-made meals and all sorts of nonsense that we're not interested in, but you guys are going to be interested in oil. So, worldoflubricant.co.uk have sponsored us and these videos. And they've got a great deal for you guys on their website. You drop in the code DYNO. I'll put links below and stuff, but you drop the code in DYNO, you get a load of money off. You can spend more money on additives or top-up oils, or you can just save yourself a packet and keep servicing your Hondas, which is what it's all about, ain't it?
Totally. I mean, like I say, great selection, loads of different stuff. It's not just oils. They do different things. There's some anti-seize stuff and whatever when I had a quick look through myself. So, yeah, check them out.
EP3, beautiful.
Silver.
Yeah, it is silver, isn't it? Mm. Yeah, nice car. Very clean inside, isn't it? Very, very nice.
Yeah, very posh. About 113,000.
Pretty low mileage for one of these, I suppose.
Yeah, it is nowadays, isn't it?
So you fitted a 4:1 manifold, Japspeed.
I did indeed.
Which we supplied, which is available on the website, and a Tegiwa 70mm, which is available on the website as well. And it's got a leaf eater Tegiwa induction kit.
That was already on the car, to be fair.
Mm-hmm.
But other than that, car was totally bone stock this morning. Obviously, apart from the leaf eater. So we've done the exhaust, fitted that, got that done this morning.
Mapped it up.
We mapped it up sort of just before lunch, didn't we, really, to be fair?
What did it make? I can't remember now.
2:30 finish. It's exactly
Bang
where
on.
I'd expect it to be. Flattening off a little bit on the top end. Might have made a fraction more with a different induction kit, but I mean, it wouldn't be a massive amount. You know, next up really for this car, further breathing mods, inlet manifold, throttle body, and a decent induction kit. And yeah, up towards that 240.
Sounds well, don't it?
245, yeah, sounds nice.
Sounds gorgeous.
I love it. I like to take a 70mm exhaust. I think it looks really smart on these, and yeah, it sounds nice as well.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, really nice bit of kit.
Yeah.
But nice car. I'm sure you'll be absolutely over the moon with that. And I can see the improvements from here on the computer screen, that there's a massive dollop of mid-range gain.
No, it's made a load of power in the mid-range. I mean, also what we always say is, we didn't run this car stock this morning, so obviously what you're seeing there, or the red line, is initial with or a standard map, but with all those modifications on. So to him, when he drives this car, it'll feel, I mean, that would be impressive anyway, but it obviously will feel better than that, because it was totally stock, or had a stock exhaust, which you just don't see on these very often, do you?
Well, another one in the bag. Let's crack on with something else.
Let's have a look at that graph.
Let's have a look at the graph. Well, there we have it, lads. Red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves. Plenty of power made, especially in the mid-range. And we finish on 231 brake horsepower. If you've got a Honda Civic EP3 and you need help or advice, give us a shout. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, go old school, pick up the phone, or come and see us at a Honda meet last Saturday of every month. We'd love to see you. For now, though, we wish you well, and we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Rich? We will, indeed.
Before, and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.